As you all know, NEET MDS or INI-CET are not just exams for you, but they're actually a gateway for you to become a top-notch dental specialist. And since only 3 to 4 months are left for your exams, so here, national mock exams by meriters can be a total game changer for you. And in this video, we'll get to know how. But wait, what exactly are these national mock exams? Well, they are online mode of exams which are curated by experts at meriters, in which you can practice for exams like NEET MDS, INI-CET, and next, which is based on the pattern of last few years to give you a good practice. They are available on the Meriters app, which you can download from the link given below and register there free of cost. But you must be wondering that what is the right time to start attempting these exams? Well, the answer to this is as early as possible. I know that a lot of you feel kind of scared or underprepared to give these exams, due to fear of losing your confidence or getting a low score. But in reality, these mock exams play a very crucial role in your preparation. And how do they do that? Well, let me break it down for you in detail. So firstly, it will help you in getting familiar with the exam pattern because there's so many elements to it, like how to mark an answer for review or how to get back to that question later. So all these little things might eat up your precious time if you're just figuring out, where to click for what. Secondly, it will help you a lot in managing your time so that you will exactly know how much time you can invest on each and every question and complete the exam right on time. Also, the national mock exams help you in assessing your strengths and weaknesses. So many times we end up misinterpreting the question or missing out on important points, or sometimes there's just lack of revision for that topic. So by giving multiple such examinations, you will get to know your weak points and you can work on it so that when the actual exam comes, those mistakes are not repeated. So to help you with that, Team Meriters provides you with an All India rank and a performance analysis of your test, like subject-wise breakdown, weak and strong areas, recommendations, and whatnot. Additionally, these mock exams will also help you in increasing your speed and accuracy. And for that, it is highly recommended that you attempt these exams on a laptop or a desktop without any disturbance and by simulating the real exam scenario. Not only this, it also helps big time in reducing your exam anxiety or stress because the more familiar you are with the whole pattern, the calmer and cooler you will be during the real exam. So the key to an effective preparation is giving as many mock exams as possible, and that can only be done if you start early. So stating my personal story, when I started giving mock exams during my preparation time. So earlier my scores and ranks were not that good, but I didn't give up. I made sure that I assessed every test and did a complete performance analysis. And at the same time, I tried to improve with each and every test. So over a period of time, the scores kept getting better, the ranks kept getting better, and in the end, trust me, the practice which I got through mock exams, it's a major reason why I got the rank I always wanted. So all these points that I told you are a reminder for you to actively participate in national mock exams conducted by Meriters, which have started from 9th September 2023, and it is based on both NEET MDS and INI-CET pattern. One big advantage of the Meriters national mock exams is that it is open and free for all, and also it has the largest number of participants all over India. So that means that the ranks you're getting in these exams are highly accurate. So discipline plays an important role, and to inculcate that, so you can only give the test in that specific test window period, and minimum of 100 questions have to be done in order to submit that exam. And if you want to review your answers, then you can click on Your Tests tab on the Meriters app, where you will be able to see all the answers, the explanations, and also the MCQ videos and a performance analysis. So I would totally recommend you all to start giving the mock exams as early as possible. And the best way to do is to stick to the schedule that meriters have provided you. I know sometimes you don't feel confident enough to attempt that test, but you have to face that fear and go ahead with it, because trust me, each and every mock test will teach you so much and you will gain a lot out of it. And this will play a very important role in giving an edge to your preparation. So download the Meriters app and register for the exam today. All the best.